They call it turning over a new leaf. City of Denver's got puns. And if you've got a pot conviction for something that's not a crime today, well, the city has an offer to get it off your record. Many of these cases involve possession of 1 ounce or less of marijuana. How much is that anyway? Our Marshall Zellinger has the same question.
What is 1 ounce of pot?
It's about an ounce of product right there.
Possession of this much pot has been legal in Colorado since Amendment 64 took effect in late 2012.
A lot of people have convictions on their records that are now for actions that now are legal in the state of Colorado.
Between 2001 and 2013, 10,000 people in Denver were convicted of low-level marijuana crimes, like possession of 1 ounce or less.
If some employers say you can't work here if you have a conviction on your record, this is something that we can seal, and they won't have to disclose it going forward.
Mayor Michael Hancock today unveiled Turn Over a New Leaf.
I did not brand it.
With the help of Denver District Attorney Beth McCann.
We like to have catchy titles.
The city will allow someone to fill out an online form or show up at a workshop to get rid of their low-level pot conviction.
We are not going to be dealing with outstanding warrants in these clinics. We're not dealing with anything else.
Some of those eligible will be people who pleaded down. Maybe they had 6 ounces of pot, but were convicted of just 1 ounce or less.
Typically, if someone is arrested with a lot of drugs and we believe they have the intent to distribute or sell, those don't typically get pled down to a very minor level of misdemeanor.
1 ounce or less has not been a crime for years, so I asked the mayor if the timing was because of his re-election.
So this is not new because it's election era. This is a value that I've carried forward for quite some, at least 2.5 years. But listen, here's the bottom line. If because of an election we don't do certain things that we should have done anyway, or at least looked at for a while, then we got a lot of people going to be sitting in limbo.
Here's one other tidbit about those workshops. They'll have volunteer defense lawyers and volunteer immigration lawyers. The district attorney told me if getting rid of a previous pot conviction could put you on immigration's radar, that's not the point of this program, and they want an immigration lawyer there to talk through someone before they make that decision to get that expunged from their record.